Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the power 4 for the both sides to cancel about the root. Next, we know that s to the power of 5 that is about s squared and s to the power of 3 because we have s to the power of 3. So I will put this one go to the left, this one go to the right. And now we have like this. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 3s squared. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have negative number 4 u to the power of 3 du. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 cone here and we have u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 cone here and we have u equals to number 0. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we divide both sides by number 3. So number 0 we change by number 1. Number 1 we change by number 0. This one we change by u. S to the power of 3 we change by this one. S squared ds we change by this one. So we have u multiplied by u to the power of 3. So u to the power of 4 multiplied by u to the power of 4 and number 1. Next, the integration of this one, we have u to the power of 5 over 5. The next one that is about number 9. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 0. And now we have like this. So I will put number 0 gone here. Number 1 gone here. Negative, negative, we have positive. So we calculate this one and we have 16 over 135. This is the end. Thank you for watching.